Hey everyone, and today we're taking a look at the company that just went public, Roblox, and exactly what they do. Yesterday, Roblox finally got themselves listed on the stock exchange, coming in at a smooth $45 billion valuation. During the IPO, Roblox privately traded for $45 a share. As of today's closing bell, Roblox is trading at $74 a share. Remember, it started at $45 and it's all the way up at $74 right now. That is incredible, but it is expected for a highly hyped IPO. With that being said, Roblox now sits as the #2 gaming company on the stock market, only beaten by Activision, which has a $72 billion evaluation. As we speak though, Roblox has a $60 billion valuation in the public market. For those of you that don't know what exactly Roblox is a gaming platform. And not only can you game on it, you can literally build games on the platform yourself. As a user, this is how it works. You log into your account and you go through this search menu. Think of it like YouTube. You're going to YouTube, you're like, what do I want to watch today? Oh, George, yeah, of course. Same thing goes with Roblox. You sign in, you go to your search, and you find the games you want to play. There is a library with thousands of games on it to choose from. And then you have your avatar, which is fully customizable, that you can buy certain objects from the Roblox community itself. So you have a game platform where you can create games, and customizable avatars. And all the games on the Roblox community are free. But where the company makes its money from are Robux. Robux are a currency that can be used in games to either buy custom features on your avatar or unlock features in games you play. And that's nothing new. It's not unique that you can have microtransactions in a game which further your experience in the game. What is unique is users of the game can create other Roblox games on the platform itself. And it's not difficult at all. It's literally a drag and drop. It's almost a game creating content for Roblox. And user-generated content can also contain microtransactional items. What's revolutionary is from these microtransactions from user-generated content, the creator actually gets a portion of the Robux spent on their game. So Roblox is essentially creating opportunity growth for their platform by incentivizing the content creation from users. All Roblox had to do was create a platform for them to build on, and you and me alike, we literally provided the games for other people to play on, which is genius because all they did was create a platform for you and me to play on. But if we get bored and think we can do it better, we can create the content ourselves. And all Roblox has to worry about isn't creating the next best game, is creating the infrastructure for the players to play on and to create better content on. If they focus on the infrastructure, players themselves will have the creativity to do whatever they want, which usually is the biggest drawback for gaming companies, is creating constant valuable content. I've heard of stories of young kids around the ages of 10 to 12 creating maps on Roblox and actually generating a small side income, which is amazing. It gives people a new opportunity for income. But that's just a gist of how the company itself works and the platform operates. Now let's take a little deeper look into their financials and see how they're really doing as a company. Daily users of Roblox are estimated to be around 37 million active users a day. 37 million. And not only that, they each actively spend $57 a day on Roblox or Robux. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. And a majority of these users are children from the ages of 9 to 12, probably playing on their iPad, just spamming mommy and daddy's credit card, microtransaction after microtransaction, just no idea what this dollar amount means, but you know,
I want my hat in Roblox.
Now, as of 2020, Roblox, I get Roblox and Robux, it's like a tongue twister over here, they get around 30 billion, with a B, hours played a year. Now, remember, I talked about creators being able to drive an income from their content by microtransaction. And right now, the pie is still pretty small with what they actually get from the transactions. But even from all these small transactions to content creators, Roblox paid an estimated almost $200 million to creators in 2020. But the caveat is there's around 18 million user-generated experience on the Roblox platform. So the likelihood of making a good sum of money is pretty scarce right now. To just show you how scarce it is, about 4,000 creators earned about $350. 1,300 earned at least $10,000. 300 earned $100,000. 36 earned $1 million, and only 3 earned $10 million. And $10 million is a lot of money, but think of how much content is being generated by how many people, and then how many people are actually making a good amount of money. This is a very large deviation. But this does show what can happen if you become a top tier Roblox creator. I can really see companies starting to form to create Roblox content, because $10 million is not pocket change. For people just churning out just quantity over quality, it will start to add up. So I can really see companies starting to come into fruition just to make Roblox content. Now, last year they generated $1.88 billion. And to take that into perspective, the year prior to that, in 2019, they generated 700 million. They almost tripled their previous earnings. And they're still operating at a loss. They are a new company, and their estimated loss was $250 million, but this can really be because they're either reinvesting into their company or heavy marketing. And this isn't new for growth companies. You really want to reinvest early to really have your company grow as big as it can when you have that momentum. So what people aren't really talking about is why Roblox is so big and got so big in the last year. And this is my personal opinion, but COVID actually really helped Roblox grow. It put the rocket thrusters under Roblox. Think of this, everybody couldn't go out. Everybody had their restrictions because of COVID. We've had a year of being inside mostly. So what do people do when they're inside? They watch TV and they play video games. They're on the internet, especially children. You can't go out, you can't go to school, so kids are playing more video games. And I'm not saying the only reason Roblox went big is because of COVID, but I am saying that could be a catalyst to their rapid growth. Roblox really has a good business model. They have the infrastructure for creators to create an infinite amount of content for its users to play on, and they profit by putting microtransactions into those games for users and content creators to benefit from. And all they have to focus on is bettering their infrastructure. But the real question is, are they really gonna have this exponential growth continue? Will people still play video games as much as they do now as restrictions for COVID ease up? Are people gonna stay in as much as they used to? Time will tell. But by no means are they gonna vanish. It's just, are they going to keep doubling and tripling their revenue? Short term, I think they will continue their growth. But as things tend to ease up with COVID restrictions, I really believe there might be a slight correction in the market, especially pertaining to Roblox. And as the IPO hypeage falls, people are going to really reevaluate the company. Long term, I can see this company doing amazingly though. Just check out Fortnite. Fortnite's been smashing it for how many years now? And they haven't changed much. With Roblox, it can continually update itself via what the users want. I can go right on a forum, hey guys, you should make a game about watching George on YouTube. Somebody goes and creates it, puts a microtransaction in, and everybody's profiting from it. The only thing Roblox needs to do is focus on their infrastructure and keep marketing, keep acquiring new users. And if they really do that, I think they will be golden. But, you know, I'm just some random guy on YouTube, guys, so do your own research and don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Will Roblox continue its growth, or are we just witnessing its golden hour waiting to implode? We'll find out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.